Hello everyone. In our today's class, we are going to discuss topic micro and macronutrients under Unit 2 Sports and Nutrition. Let's discuss. Micronutrients are those which are required in less quantity or smaller quantities, and macronutrients are those which are required in larger quantities by the body. Micro small quantity, macro large quantity. Students must remember this. And these are the categories. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals. Macronutrients are carbohydrates, fats and proteins. In our today's video, we will discuss only vitamins and minerals, only the micronutrients. We will discuss macronutrient in our upcoming video. Let's move on. Vitamins. Vitamins are required by the body for its various metabolic processes. Vitamins play very required and very essential chemical part in our biochemistry, in our body's chemical reactions. They are a series of enzymes which are reacting to produce energy and to do many other functions in our body. If we are lacking with vitamins, it may lead to many diseases like scurvy, beriberi, rickets, etc. But the most important, vitamins and minerals are required by the body to enhance our immunity, to grow properly, and to recover from illness or injury rapidly. Minerals are naturally occurring in organic substances. They are natural substances. We need these substances in our body also to perform many bodily tasks. We need them. They help in building bones. They help in strengthening our bones and body structure. They help in transporting oxygen to all parts of body, tissues and cells, and they do many other functions also. Again, minerals are also very important to enhance our immunity and to keep us away from diseases. Vitamins are categorized in two categories: water soluble and fat soluble. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, K. Fat soluble are vitamin A, D, E and K, and water soluble are vitamin B and C. Vitamin B is a complex series and vitamin C are water soluble. Let's discuss these. Fat soluble vitamins, first is vitamin A. As we all know, it's a very common saying that vitamin A and green vegetables are very important for eyesight. So green vegetables, leafy vegetables are carrying vitamin A. It is very important for eyesight as well as for our bone health. Deficiency of vitamin A can lead to blindness, partial blindness, color blindness or night blindness. It affects our vision basically. And sources of vitamin A are green vegetables, yellow vegetables, milk, egg yolk and olive oil and liver oils. These are few sources of vitamin A. Now vitamin D. Vitamin D is very important for our bones, for our skeletal system, and vitamin D play a very important role in observing calcium in our body. Calcium cannot be observed without vitamin D. Sunlight is one very important source of vitamin D, and other sources are like soya bean and milk and fish oil. Fish liver oil is one of its sources. Vitamin E is very important for our certain functions like hair fall, skin tone, hair color, and it play a very important role in normal functioning of reproductive system. It play a very important role in many other functions also. Sources of vitamin E are, one very rich source is walnut, others are banana, milk, liver oil and vegetables, leafy vegetables. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is very important for blood clotting in the body. Without vitamin K, blood clotting will not take place. And blood clotting is a very important function. It is a life-saving act. And vitamin K can be found in tomatoes, potatoes, leafy vegetables, soya bean, etc. Vitamin B. Now we are going to discuss water soluble vitamins, vitamin B and C. Vitamin B is a complex series of vitamins. Vitamin B1, B2, B3, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 12. These all vitamins are going to play multiple roles, very crucial roles, and they are required in very small quantity in the body. Vitamin B1, this is a colorless vitamin and salty in taste, smells like yeast, and it helps in proper functioning or maintaining the functions of liver, kidney, stomach and brain. Vitamin B2, vitamin B2 is of yellow color. Long cooking and sunlight will destroy it. It is essential vitamin for eyes, nose, mouth, lip, tongue and taste buds also. Vitamin B3, it is very important for growth basically. Vitamin B5, it helps in maintaining the proper body weight as per the body of an individual. Vitamin B6, it helps in formation of hemoglobin, main function of it, and keeping your skin tone better or skin health. Vitamin B7, it also called biotin. Vitamin B9, it's tasteless, colorless and yellowish, light yellowish in color in certain cases. Vitamin B9 is important for reproduction, growth and development in the body. Vitamin B12, it's red in color. Usually vitamin B12 is lost due to long cooking. Vitamin C, it is a very important vitamin for our germs, teeth, to make them strong. It also makes enzymes active and useful. Vitamin C is very important for keeping us away from certain diseases like scurvy and swelling in our joints and bleeding from our gums. Sources of vitamin C are like amla, lemon, guava, mango and all citric fruits, citric juices fruits. Now types of minerals, let's discuss those. These were the vitamins. Now let's discuss minerals. Minerals are divided into two categories, micro and macro. Again, micro means small quantity, macro means large. Minerals are required in very small quantity, but again further categorization is there. These are certain macro minerals which are required comparatively in larger quantity, like calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sodium, and these are micro minerals. Sorry, here it is wrongly written in the slide, but these are micro minerals: iron, copper, cobalt, chromium and iodine. And the role of minerals is also similar as vitamins. They help in multiple functions of the body. They help in keeping us away from diseases, infections. They boost our immunity. They help us in proper growth, development, growth of muscles, health of bones. They help in proper functioning of endocrine system, which play a vital role in other functions of our body. So vitamins and minerals completely are the very important part of our diet, and they keep us away from diseases. This is the most important aspect.